If you're running Facebook ads, targeting your audience is crucial, but who should you target? First, define your ideal customer by analyzing demographic and psychographic data. Then, use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to learn more about your target audience. Consider creating lookalike audiences based on your existing customer base or website traffic. Layer in additional targeting options like interests, behaviors, and job titles to narrow your audience further. Test different ad formats and messaging to see what resonates with your target audience. Adjust your targeting based on data and re-engage with people who have interacted with your ads or page. Exclude audiences who have already converted or are unlikely to convert to save ad spend. Retarget website visitors to keep your brand top of mind for potential customers. Consider implementing dynamic ads to show personalized content based on user behavior. Monitor your ad performance and adjust your targeting and creative accordingly.